A red herring is a type of logical fallacy where someone introduces an irrelevant topic into an argument to divert attention away from the original issue. The goal is to usually distract or derail the discussion, not to be confused with a straw man. A straw man misrepresents or distorts the original argument with the intention of defeating a weakened version of the argument. Subtle, but very different. So let's use the original claim, or we could write conclusion as C, R to be the irrelevant claim. So that means we need to now use a bit of predicate logic. So we have relevant X, C. So this basically means predicate that says X is relevant to proving or disproving C. So that's what that whole predicate says. So let's say the fallacy can then be symbolized as not, and then let's write relevant RC, and R, if R, then C. So this is a non sequitur. This argument doesn't follow logically. So a red herring example, we need to implement stricter pollution regulations to fight climate change. So a red herring would be, but think about how many jobs would be affected if we regulate business too much. It's introduced something which is an effect of what the cause is, but it's got nothing to do with the original claim. Whereas if I took a straw man, which is different to a red herring, so let's say somebody said we need to implement stricter pollution regulations to fight climate change, a straw man would be, the response would be somebody would say he wants to shut down all factories and destroy the economy in the name of the environment. So they're different but similar. You have to pay attention to be able to see the difference, but this right here is the fallacy represented in predicate logic.